Sooner or later, you'll need to add custom code to your website because you want to add a new feature or you want to customize your theme. Most people, like me, get really nervous when we see lines and lines of code. So I found a free plugin that has a very easy interface where I can search for a feature I want, get its code snippet, then use a drop down to select where I want to add it. That's it. No need for any coding. This free plugin opened up a whole new level of customization for me and I want to share it with you as well. Also, don't miss the bonus giveaway at the end because it's really cool. So let's begin by going to our WordPress dashboard, then to plugins, add new, then go to the search bar and type WP code. Now this is the one we want and it's actually quite popular. So let's install and then activate it. Now on your left panel, you'll see code snippets. Then you can click on code snippets and you'll see this panel, which will display all the active code snippets added through this plugin. And then you can toggle them on or off from here. Now, whenever you want to add some custom code to your site, you can click on add new and you'll come to this page, which has all the different features and customizations that you can get free code snippets for. So you can either use these categories to find what you want or just go here in the search bar and type it like this. Once you find it, click on it, and then you can see the custom code here. So you can just go and then apply it to your site. But what if you want to add some code that you found in some other blog or some other site? You can do that as well. So let's go back, then click on blank snippet. Now, let's say for example, I want to make my site faster, and for that I want to disable the emojis that load with WordPress because it causes a bunch of extra JavaScript and CSS to load, which can slow down my site. Now, this doesn't mean that I or my users won't be able to use emojis. It's just that a whole bunch of extra code, I'll show you on the screen, is going to be disabled, so my site will get a little bit faster. So I'm going to show you how to use a custom code snippet for this particular customization. Alright, now I'll click on blank snippet and add a title for the snippet. Then I'm going to paste the code that I found in the tutorial to disable custom emojis. I'll also add it below in the description in case you want to try it out. And then I'll go on the right and make sure the right type of snippet is selected, which in this case is a PHP snippet. Then scroll down to make sure that the insert method is auto insert so that this code runs on your entire site. Then come up, make this active, and then save snippet. Now let's go back to our website, right click, and inspect element. Let's press Ctrl+F and search for WP emoji and nothing comes up. But I'm going to show you a screenshot or a recording from before and you will see that there was a whole bunch of code here that was being loaded, which was slowing down my site. Now let's come back, go to the active snippets and open the snippet we made. Now, what if the code I copy pasted here had an error in it? So let me change some code here. And then you'll see that the snippet is inactive and a warning pops up that something needs to be fixed. Okay, now it's time for the bonus giveaway. For those of you that are new here, my team builds plugins and we've seen a lot of success with BlogVault and Malcare. Now, for a limited time, we are giving away a free speed plugin that's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Like, look at this website before and after. The speed has almost tripled. This new plugin is called Airlift, and it does the work of 5 different plugins all by itself. I'm going to show you a live demo, but before that, let me answer a common doubt. How is Airlift free if it's so good? It's quite simple. It's like ChatGPT. You've seen that as more and more people try ChatGPT, the data helps the algorithm get better and then new versions are released, right? That's what we're doing with Airlift. Our goal is that no one should have to use a whole bunch of plugins and try 100 different settings to get a fast website. You should just have to add your website URL, and then with one click, you should get a 90+ score. Right now, Airlift does give a 90+ score about 80% of the time, and the rest 20% message our customer support, and we manually look into the site and make it faster for free. These edge cases help our algorithm get better over time. So it's a win-win for everyone. Will Airlift become paid in the future? No. Just like ChatGPT, this will always be a free service, and maybe we will offer some perks for the paid version like priority customer support. We don't know yet. For now, let me show you how effective it is today with a quick demo. So let's go here and open a new tab and type Google PageSpeed. Now click on PageSpeed Insights. This is a free page by Google to check if your website is loading too slowly. So I will come back to my website, copy the URL, then come back and paste it here. Then click Analyze. Now you can see that this site score is quite low, and I'm going to show you how fast Airlift is going to make this website. So we will go to another tab, type airlift.net and this website will open. Now click here, add your email, and then you have to paste your website URL here and click here. Now download the plugin by clicking here, and you will see a zip file has been downloaded. Then go back to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and add new, then drag and drop the folder. Install the plugin and then activate it. Now you'll see that your site is automatically being optimized, and after that you'll see the result page and you can see that the score is well over 90. Now let's go back to page speed, and this is the moment of truth. We want to see whether the speed increase inside Airlift is also recognized by Google. So we are going to click analyze again, and there you go. The increase in speed has been confirmed by Google. So if you're also excited to check it out, go to the link in description and I'm sure it's going to be worth your time.